Hey guys, long time no see. It's Barry again with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM-FM 8-track radio out of a 78 Lincoln. This comes from my friends at R&J Motors, particularly Greg the owner. Thank you guys for your business all the way from Escondido, California. I guess it's not that far. It is like a 9-hour drive though. So Greg has requested the modern internal conversion with the wire to the original connector, so you don't get that big increase in output power, but he also ordered my special input-output box, which can be used to feed an external amplifier, and you can have as big an external amplifier as you want. So let's go ahead and turn her on. I've got it set to AM at the moment, so we can demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions during talk radio, so I'm not leaving music playing too long and getting nailed for copyright issues. So let's turn her on.
Those words say. And that says
okay, we're on AM.
A callous disregard.
Let's look at our speakers.
Who he created.
Okay, we're going to adjust our virtual front-rear fader. Here we go.
Eating a piece of fruit.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now this controls, same control is adjusting our front-rear speaker balance all the way front. Okay, all the way rear. Say something. Okay, all the way front, rear. Okay, I'm going to center them. Fader set. Okay, let's try adjusting left-right balance.
Balance adjust.
Okay, so once again we're using the tone control to adjust our left-right balance. All the way left, all the way right. Okay, I'm going to center them.
Here's your kibble, and here's my
balance
set. Okay, so we don't need these speakers anymore. Let's go ahead and move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test.
My love had a name, but
okay, so there's our 5 FM, or there's 5 FM stations that we selected. Let's go ahead and pop an 8-track in. Now, one thing I'll say is this is an older test tape, and it's got some noises on it that are not supposed to be there. That's from me troubleshooting and feeding test tones into the tape. So let's go ahead and try it. Okay, make sure we got all 4 speakers. Okay, at the end of a song there. Okay, at the end of a song here. Alrighty, pull the tape out, radio comes back. So everything is working, she's ready to go back to the customer. Let me check the dial light real quick just to make sure that's working. I'm sure it is, but just to be safe, let's make sure. Gotta connect it up real quick, and you won't be able to see it, but I will. Yep, nice soft green glow there. So everything's groovy. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next video. I got a couple more jobs that are finished and ready for tests. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. Now, one thing I'll say about that is currently my websites are in a complete state of foobar. I have changed web hosting providers. I've switched to GoDaddy, and unfortunately, I won't be able to update the website until at least the 24th of September, and probably give me about a week to learn the new software and get everything up there. But everything will be fixed by the beginning of October as far as the websites go. But my website is still working. It only has a home page with my contact information, so you'll just have to call me if you're not able to get the information you need off the website. So once again, thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Greg, for your business from Escondido, and we'll see you guys next time.